Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila banlek puli da ka education loan. Pila urban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio pranon lani khandai pran rio laisan tan riway khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell su hila banyo na barok kidukan.
Ka Voice of the People Party haga khatsantarik ujilio arjar arpulai kala IT daga jingtho sya uba Preston Tensong ubalong ru usembut menteri rangba ka jela uba pek ya katanat kampo yeng jong ka Sorkar jela haga bayadai bat ka jingwan tu jong ki Phetwir na ka jela Manipur sya gani ka jela. Haga jingya keren bat kilat pathai kubor u General Secretary jong party u Dr. Ricky J. Sinkon ulayato baka party kala kentu ya ka Sorkar baka daiban shimkia ya ka jingwan tu jong ki Phetwir na ka jela Manipur daga bapha bakin nek pai biang shala ka jong ka jela on daga shongsuk shongsan kala sedang ban wan pai biang ha ka jela Manipur.
Actually, from the party, we were very concerned with what is going on in Manipur, and especially when we came to know that there are a good number of refugees have come to our state from Manipur. So we sent a letter to the Home Minister requesting him that proper records of all these refugees who have come to our state to be maintained, so that once the situation in Manipur becomes congenial and hopefully peaceful, so that these people should return to the state where they came from. And we would like to put record, and we appreciate the effort taken by the government to, on humanitarian ground, to allow our fellow beings who have been affected by this situation in Manipur. And so, but at the same time, we thought it would be in the interests of our state, the interests of our people, that these refugees who have come to our state to return once normalcy is restored in Manipur. So that's all the letter that we have from the side of the party. Well, that's what, just in case it has not done so, so we thought that it's good to take the initiative from our side so that the government will do the needful in this matter.